The US government, they freed some spectrum, some bandwidth for 5G use cases, which not only democratized the usage of 5G, also most of these 5G technologies are open source. Even hardware is open source now. We are not doing black boxes anymore. It has moved to commodity hardware. So can you also talk about how all these factors are also helping further spread of 5G? One more thing is, when we do talk about 5G, we are not just talking about what we use on an iPhone. 5G is also enabling a lot of private networks that it will enable a lot of many use cases that we cannot think about.
The open source efforts in 5G, as well as opening up the CBRS spectrum to deploy cellular networks, both on the enterprise as well as general commercial use, has been super impactful in adoption of wireless cellular technology for use other than operators using it to provide connectivity to our mobile phones. And so that has been very helpful. The part that we do our products do is very similar to a Wi-Fi mesh. So before Wi-Fi mesh, if you had to deploy Wi-Fi inside your home, you would have to run cables from one end of the home to the other home. If you have a big home and you want to provide full coverage, that's the solution. With Wi-Fi mesh, you can have a wireless mesh where you get full coverage provided for Wi-Fi. We do a similar thing for cellular, and we provide cellular mesh solutions that provides a very good coverage and capacity. And this can be used both in the private network as well as public networks, and building up on the open source ecosystem and CBRS spectrum. Our market strategy has been to build a solution for both the private sector as well as